Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week we went out to the 12th annual Kruisin for Kids car show at Dinsmore Baptist Church. This was an awesome show. There were so many cars out there was no way to see them all. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. The Dashboard didn't participate in this show, but there is a little bit of dash cam footage for you to see, so I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
I guess where you park wherever you can park.
Well, that's probably where I'm supposed to park.
Right back there?
Yeah, right through here.
Yeah. There ain't no parking, son.
Yeah, I'm noticing.
Except on the side of the road.
I ain't parking on the side of the road.
Nope.
I will go back down to that other parking lot and park in the mud first.
And there's people parked back here.
Well, I'm going to turn down here and see what's down here.
Yeah.
Oh, they already got one stuck.
Yeah. This is parking.
Yeah, I don't really want to park in there.
No. Yeah. Got it out.
Looking at the ruts in there? No, thank you. They've gotten too damn big. Looks like to me.
I know you wanted to do this some, but older trucks didn't get in either. You could have parked down there in front of the church there.
I was actually thinking there's a loop right here. Nope, not there.
Mm-hmm.
But on the other side that I could pull into. If I could have found the entrance.
She went in it. Because it looks like it came in and then went around.
Yeah, stupid as hell.
Yeah.
Because I could park right there.
Mm-hmm. I have to drive.
I know. I'm thinking straight right down there.
Okay. Assholes.
They trailered their shit here and had to park somewhere.
Yeah. You see this, don't you?
I do. There ain't as many cars here this time.
No.
I think they went up on their entry fee.
That's been running up and down the
Yeah,
road. Yeah.
looking.
Well, it's kids. There's kids riding the four-wheeler, and then, that thing, and then kids.
Well, the question is, the best way to get out of here. Not back the way I came, I don't think.
No, I think you're going to have to go around. Should have been watching what that pickup truck did.
I was trying to, but I was getting in the truck.
Yeah. Everybody else is going around.
Yeah, this is where I had planned to
Yeah.
park. Jay, it's a mess.
Mm-hmm. Damn, these people are parked.
Yeah.
Almost in the road.
Where I can't see.
Yeah. Do you take the sidewalk up?
Yeah. Well, part of the way. I come up to this drive and I went through the drive and then caught the sidewalk on the other side of the drive.
Yeah.
Be nice if these people were using signals.
Yeah.
That was coming kind of fast.
I can't see if it's even coming the other way.
Well, they'll just have to slow down. I'll turn on the air. You hot?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, well, we don't need the air.
Been a good breeze.
It has been that.
Yeah.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.